The Melbourne comes in 2 boxes ready for assembly. Begin by opening and organizing all hardware and panels. Use the assembly manual to ensure all parts are present for assembly. To help make assembly easier, you can label each panel using a sticky note. Attach 5 T2 plate casters to the underside of panel G. Using 20 B1 fixed bolts. Tighten with provided Allen wrench. Lock the casters and flip panel G over. Tip: place a small bit of lubricant into the cam bolt holes to help the cam bolt screw in better. Install 13C1 cam bolts on panel G. Insert 2 D1 dowel pins into the edge of panel O. Attach panel O as shown, guiding cam bolts on panel G into cam locks on panel O. Tighten cam locks and apply C2 cam covers. Install 2 C1 cam bolts into panel X. Install 4 D1 dowel pins into panel X. Note: don't forget to wipe the lift rails with lubricant. Install 6 D1 dowel pins into panel Y. Attach left lift rail to panel Y using 3 S1 screws. Install 4 D1 dowel pins into the edges of panel Z. Attach the right lift rail to panel Z with S1 screws. Note: the lift rails look different on the hydraulic and electric lift. Install 2 C1 cam bolts into panel Z. Install 2 C1 cam bolts into panel D. Install 6 D1 dowel pins into the edges of panel D. With panel D on the floor, lower panel Y onto the cam locks on panel D. Tighten the cam locks. Apply C2 cam covers. Flip or rotate the cabinet. Attach panels X and Z to panel D, as shown. Tighten the cam locks. Cover them with C2 cam covers. Flip or rotate the cabinet. Attach panel G by sliding cam bolts on panel G onto cam locks. Tighten the cam locks. Apply C2 cam covers. Make sure casters are locked and tip the cabinet up onto its wheels. You may need a second person to help you. Tighten the cam locks. Apply C2 cam covers. You may choose to use H2 folding hooks. Attach to panel Y1 using S1 screws.
Don't forget about how great ergonomics can enhance your sewing sessions. The Aero hydraulic sewing chair is the most comfortable chair, and it allows you to sew for hours without end. It's the #1 rated sewing chair in America. Watch this video to get more information.
For information about installing your hydraulic lift, we have provided a short video above. You can also access it in the description below. For information about installing your electric lift, we have provided a short video above. You can also access it in the description below. Attach 11C1 cam bolts to the underside of panel A. Attach the metal support bar to panel A using 5S6 screws. Attach panel A, carefully lining up cam bolts with cam locks on panels Z, D, Y, and X. Note, you may need a second person to help you. Tighten the cam locks. Cover them with cam covers. Attach M magnet catch plates using 4S2 screws. Screw in 2 S5 alignment pins. Flip both panels over. Install 4 H3 hinges using 12 S1 screws. Insert T1 caster into caster brackets. Tighten with wrench. Tip: use some of the styrofoam from the packaging to help support the panels as you attach them to the back. Attach hinges on panels 01 and 02 to panel D using 12 S1 screws as shown. Attach 4H3 but hinges to panels 03 and 04 using 12 S1 screws. Flip panels over and attach M magnet catch plates using 4S2 screws. Attach 2 S5 alignment pins. Attach panels 03 and 04 to panel Z using 12 S1 screws. Attach 3H3 but hinges using 9S1 screws. Attach M magnet to panel A1 with S1 screws as shown. Make sure the magnetic strips are pointing towards the center. Balance panel A1 on the gate leg panels. Attach hinges to panel A using 9S1 screws. Attach H3 hinges to A2 using 6S1 screws. Attach M magnets to panel A2 with 4S1 screws. Make sure the magnetic strips are pointing towards the center. Balance panel A2 on panels O3 and O4 using 6S1 screws. Attach hinges to panel A from underneath. Press P1 pegs into pre-drilled holes as shown, at whatever height you wish. Slide panel E shelves on top of P1 pegs. Congratulations! A better sewing experience awaits. Happy sewing!